welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here for today to do a new vlog, and for this vlog is we're gonna be unboxing for this big box from Amazon. And this big box from Amazon is very useful for me, and this is for me and very useful also so much for using this one to my baby. And just arrived this one, and we ordered this one 3 days ago, and now it's arrived, the order, and it's so nice. And before I'm gonna be started, my dear friends, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel and comment below on this video. So the title of this vlog is we're gonna be unboxing about the breastfeeding pillow for my baby, and it's very useful, and this is the very good to use, especially if the baby need breastfeeding and whatever you kind of position you like to, sitting down on the chair, on the sofa, on the couch. So this pillow is useful to do a breastfeeding. So I hope you can join with me. You can join with me to unbox this this carton box. So we have right now here in front of me. So and you can see it, but it's this one, and of course, I'm very happy to have this because as a first mom, it's my first time, it's a first mom. I'm very excited to being prepared as mom, and I'll do my best to taking care of my baby because it's my first son and first mom also. So finally, I'm a mom right now, so I'm wearing a necklace that I am a mom. So let's go, guys, before I'm gonna take longer to talk over here in my video. Please come and join to unbox this carton from Amazon. So in Italiano guys, for the breastfeeding pillow or for the gravidanza, for the pregnant is cuscino allattamento in Italiano. So my husband bought me this one. It's very useful for me and for my baby. A little bit heavy. So I'm making a video because my baby is sleeping right now. And now I have time to make a video when my baby is sleeping. So I have a scissor. And to show you guys a very big box. Don't forget to like again and subscribe my YouTube channel and comment below of this video. So here I open now. I hope you can see a very big box. There you go. It's also a breastfeeding pillow, and for the pregnant also, for a pregnant woman. So this is the one you put on the sack. And let's open. A very good to put in the sack. A very thick. Here in Italy, a lot of chichiborichi here to taking care of your my baby or your baby. Very taking care. So my husband bought, because in Philippines we don't have like this. In Philippines, here finally I experienced to have this one. So just for breastfeeding for my baby, and it's very important to give a baby a breastfeeding than to using a milk like a formula milk, like not came from your milk or from my milk. So my husband and I, we planning not to give a milk that's not came from me. So normally I give milk to my baby that came from my breast. So we call it breastfeeding. It's a lot, it's kind. So this is the one, guys. Breastfeeding pillow or pregnancy pillow. It's really inside of this cup. It's this you call this in the sack. How come you put here? It's very good packing, this one. And let's see, I already cut na lang the sack here. This is small. So there you go, my dear friends. And another one. Oh my God, there's another plastic. Another plastic over here. Okay, yeah. Sana all. A very allora facciamo così. Look, my dear, so many. There you go. I open it. Bag, pumpa, like very good plastic bag. You can also go to see the zipper. Yeah, you can do zipper also. Nice bag, right? Nice. This is for open. And another one, plastic. There you go, here's the pillow. Very big pillow. There you go, there you go. Very big pillow, guys. This is for breastfeeding pillow. I'm using for the gravidanza. Wow! And there is zipper. Yeah, there's a zipper. Can also wash this one because this is a zipper. Wow, double for the pillow. Pillowcase. It's a double. There you go. Inside is white and foam. Very useful this one, my dear friends, to use for breastfeeding or if you want to lie down. And there is also to making lock. This one. And I can do like this. I mean, I breastfeeding my baby. So I can put this one here on my back and lock it. Like this video. If I can make it. So very useful this one for breastfeeding and very comfortable. So let's check. There you go. And I saw this one in the hospital, in the nursery hospital, when my baby born. So this is the one, guys. Now it's locked already. So this is the one how it looks like. I'm gonna be breastfeeding my baby. There you go. Amazing. You can also use for with the laptop. This one put laptop already. So I'm gonna put my baby over here, and I do breastfeeding. There you go. So this is for our unboxing. It's a breastfeeding pillow or pregnancy pillow. So worth it to buy. Yeah, very good review also. It's cheaper in Amazon because it's doing a Black Friday and it's cheaper. So I love Amazon. I love Amazon right now. It's very fast to deliver when you order in Amazon. One of the famous shop here around the Europe, and Amazon is also up in the USA. So it's very famous. So all the people's buying in Amazon. So for me, I love Amazon now. So that's it for now, guys, and I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and leave me a comment below of this video. Bye bye.